Great news! You do not have to give up your favorite bread, sandwiches, and pizza to follow a 100% paleo or ketogenic diet. You can enjoy delicious, real bread, without worrying about your health, your blood sugar, or your waistline. Introducing Keto Breads, your guide to baking grain-free, low-carb bread. Including 35+ keto-friendly bread recipes, with 5 grams net carbs or less. Keto Breads was created with your satisfaction and valuable time in mind. Fail-proof formulas. Even the most novice bakers can expect outstanding results. Taste tested to perfection. We tasted every recipe over and over, until it was perfect. Super easy prep. Most recipes in Keto Breads can be made in just 15 minutes hands-on time, with little more than a mixing bowl and spoon. Allergy Substitutions. We include a section on healthy substitutions for eggs, nuts and dairy. Full nutrition info. We provide complete nutrition information, macronutrient ratios, and net carbs per serving. Enjoy your favorite breads again, without worrying about your health, your blood sugar, or your waistline. Try Keto Breads today risk-free, by clicking the link in the description below.